The crash tests of Cybertrucks in Giga Texas were highlighted in today's episode. At the heart of these experiments is the intensity of the impacts and the detailed analysis of the damage. Joe TM, Tesla's drone photographer, captured stunning images of one of these recent tests. The photos reveal a severely damaged Cybertruck, providing a rare look at its performance in extreme situations. Crucial details were observed: the completely collapsed frunk, the deployment of the airbags, and even an indication of the possible nature of the frontal collision. The analysis suggests that the vehicle's design may include a significant crumple zone, aiming to minimize damage in the event of an impact. Furthermore, structural clues point to the use of aluminum in the front end of the truck, possibly to allow the wheels to detach from the vehicle in collision situations, a standard safety measure in modern vehicles. These findings offer a clearer look at the engineering behind the Cybertruck and reinforce the importance of crash testing for certifying and ensuring the safety of these innovative vehicles. These crash tests not only reveal the structural robustness of the Cybertruck, but also raise essential questions about vehicle safety. Analysis of the damage observed, such as the collapsed frunk and the possible disconnection of the front suspension, suggests a design that prioritizes impact absorption to protect the occupants. Joe TM's footage is a crucial glimpse into what goes on during these secretive tests. Observing details, such as the possible transfer of energy to the rear of the vehicle, provides valuable clues about how the Cybertruck structure responds to collision situations. It's fascinating to see how Tesla is seeking to not only dominate the electric vehicle market, but is also committed to ensuring high safety standards for its products. These tests are crucial steps before the Cybertruck can be certified for sale, highlighting the company's dedication to offering a vehicle that is not only revolutionary in terms of design and performance, but also highly safe for its users. This expansion highlights the importance of crash testing not only as part of the certification process, but also as a demonstration of Tesla's commitment to vehicle safety and technological innovation. Cybertruck certification, crucial for its commercialization, is at the center of Tesla's attention at the moment. With the need to obtain certification from the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and approval from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, the company is focusing on crash testing as part of this process. Obtaining these certificates is not just a formality, it is a fundamental confirmation of the vehicle's compliance with the safety and environmental standards required by law. Crash tests play a crucial role at this stage, where the Cybertruck's performance in impact situations is thoroughly evaluated. Tesla is awaiting these certifications to be able to offer the Cybertruck to the market. Although the certification process is challenging, it is essential to ensure the vehicle meets the highest safety and environmental standards. The company's focus on obtaining these approvals underscores its commitment to the quality and safety of its products, an essential element in establishing trust with consumers and regulatory authorities. Certification processes are crucial steps for any vehicle to be made available on the market. In the case of the Cybertruck, Tesla is facing the challenge of ensuring not only compliance with environmental regulations, but also passing rigorous crash tests to ensure occupant safety. Obtaining these certificates not only validates the vehicle's quality and safety, but is also a significant milestone for Tesla. With the Cybertruck, the company is aligning innovation and advanced technology with the highest safety standards, creating a vehicle that is not only revolutionary in terms of design and performance, but also reliable in terms of vehicle safety. The certification process can be challenging, but Tesla is committed to taking all necessary steps to ensure the Cybertruck meets or exceeds all safety expectations and required regulations. This not only reinforces Tesla's image as a leader in the electric vehicle market, but also solidifies its reputation as a company committed to excellence in all areas, including vehicle safety. In the last quarter, Tesla saw a somewhat peculiar dynamic. While it continues to dominate the electric vehicle market, it has performed slightly below the projections expected by Wall Street analysts. With around 435,000 units sold, expectations were exceeded by a small margin, but still, the company maintains its leadership position. The numbers may have been a little lower than expected, but the market reaction was interesting. The company's shares, initially affected by the small difference between projections and actual results, recovered quickly. This demonstrates that both Tesla and its investors already anticipated this variation and were prepared for it. It's remarkable how Tesla continues to move forward, even in a quarter with numbers that may seem a little lower than expected. This year, the company focused on improvements to its facilities, the development of new models and the production process of the long-awaited Cybertruck. It's an example of how Tesla is constantly working toward the future, making investments that may result in months of slower sales now but will translate into even better performance in the future. Even with this slight stumble compared to Wall Street expectations, Tesla is maintaining its undisputed leadership in the electric vehicle market. The numbers, although below short-term projections, do not affect the company's overall picture, especially considering its advancement in diversification in areas such as commercial vehicles, energy storage technologies and charging infrastructure. Tesla's position in the electric vehicle market is truly undisputed. The company not only leads, but has established an abysmal difference between itself and its competitors. The numbers show that Tesla has surpassed its closest competitor, Chevrolet, by nearly 300,000 units of electric vehicles sold in the US. This absurd disparity highlights Tesla's supremacy in the sector. In addition to dominating the market for electric vehicles for personal use, the company is ahead of the curve in the commercial vehicle race. The Tesla Semi, a Class 8 electric truck, recently demonstrated its capabilities by making a 1,000-mile trip in a single day. This type of durability paves the way for the potential replacement of diesel tractor-trailers with their electric counterparts, a significant advancement in the transportation sector. Tesla not only continues to improve its facilities to maintain its dominance in the private electric vehicle market, but it is also looking for opportunities in other sectors. Its competitive position not only in personal vehicles but also in commercial vehicles shows that the company is far ahead of its competitors in terms of technology, innovation, and future vision. These advances in diversification and the constant exceeding of expectations highlight Tesla's leadership in the electric vehicle market, establishing a considerable advantage that may be difficult for competitors to achieve in the coming years. Tesla's supremacy in the electric vehicle market is indisputable and goes beyond sales numbers. His leadership is not limited only to the number of units sold, but also to the continuous innovation and strategic vision that the company maintains. In addition to surpassing sales of personal electric vehicles, Tesla is disrupting the commercial vehicle sector. The efficiency and durability demonstrated by the Tesla Semi in the 1,000-mile test is a concrete example of how the company is poised to significantly alter the paradigm of road freight transportation. While enhancing its facilities to maintain its supremacy in private electric vehicles, Tesla is also preparing to lead the commercial vehicle market. This not only highlights the company's versatility, but also its ability to innovate and adapt to different segments of the automotive market. Tesla's position as the undisputed leader in the electric vehicle industry is a testament to its long-term vision and commitment to delivering a more sustainable future. Its continuous advancement and success not only differentiates it from its current competitors, but also positions it as a reference in the development of sustainable mobility technologies. The opening of Tesla's new supercharger in Hollywood, California is an exciting milestone for the company. This location, unlike other conventional superchargers, is an experiment that combines charging convenience with a retro 1950s experience, including a drive-in movie theater and a two-story restaurant. The original plans for this location were leaked in 2022, showing an ambitious project that has evolved since then. Now, the location appears to align more with the concept of a two-story restaurant and drive-in movie viewing area. Tesla seeks to offer not only efficient charging services, but also a unique experience for customers. The supercharger's strategic location in Hollywood, California showcases Tesla's approach to creating charging points in prominent locations. With large movie screens and a design that allows customers to enjoy movies from both the restaurant and their cars, the company aims to provide a classic drive-in experience adapted for modern times. Although the project has undergone several changes and required approvals before construction, the unveiling of this unique supercharger is a significant step forward for Tesla. The company is expected to maintain its tradition of not only offering fast and efficient charging services, but also creating environments that provide memorable experiences for its customers. Tesla's preparations and advancements throughout this year are a testament to its commitment to shaping the future of mobility. While working on producing new models and improving facilities, the company was also dedicated to the long-awaited launch of the Cybertruck, among other innovations. The launch of the Model 3 Highlands and preparation for the first deliveries of the Cybertruck are significant milestones for the company. This progress is accompanied by other ongoing projects, such as the implementation of unique superchargers, such as the one recently opened in Hollywood, California. Tesla not only focuses on vehicles, but also on energy storage technologies and expanding its charging network. Its diversification into the energy and mobility sectors shows a comprehensive approach to meeting consumers' evolving needs. When facing production and innovation challenges, Tesla maintains a long-term vision. Current investments aim to further improve the products and services offered, paving the way for a more sustainable and energy-efficient future. Tesla's commitment to advancing electric vehicle and renewable energy technology not only sets it apart from its competitors, but also establishes it as a leading force in transforming the automotive and energy landscape. Tesla's approach goes beyond simply manufacturing electric vehicles. The company is building a complete ecosystem, investing in technologies ranging from electric vehicles to energy storage systems and charging infrastructure. By continually improving its production facilities and processes, Tesla is preparing to not only meet current demand, but also to lead the next wave of innovation in the automotive sector. The launch of the Cybertruck is an example of this, a highly anticipated vehicle that is gaining market attention. Additionally, the company is expanding its charging solutions, such as the new supercharger in Hollywood, California, which seeks to offer not just fast charging services, but a differentiated experience for customers. These advances reflect Tesla's mentality of going beyond expectations, offering more than just a product, but a lifestyle integrated with electric mobility. With an eye to the future, Tesla is positioning itself not just as a car manufacturer, but as a company that sets the standard for sustainable and efficient mobility. Its continued efforts in innovation and its holistic approach to solving transportation and energy challenges are indicative of its relentless pursuit of a cleaner, more connected world. Tesla's journey throughout this period reflects not just an automotive company, but a driving force in the mobility and energy revolution. Its commitment to innovation, evidenced by the advancement of Cybertruck crash testing at Giga Texas, to the pursuit of certifications and the unveiling of new superchargers, is a testament to its industry leadership. The quarterly numbers, although they fluctuated relative to near-term expectations, do not diminish the solid position Tesla maintains in the electric vehicle market. Its focus is not limited to just selling vehicles, but also creating a complete ecosystem that ranges from innovative vehicles to energy solutions in charging infrastructure. Tesla's positioning as the undisputed leader in both personal and commercial vehicles shows its commitment to excellence in innovation and quality. The company is continually moving towards a future of sustainable and efficient mobility, overcoming obstacles, diversifying its offering and setting new standards of quality and safety. Thus, Tesla's trajectory is not just about sales numbers or isolated achievements, but about building a future where mobility and energy are intrinsically linked to sustainability. Its impact goes beyond the present, shaping a cleaner, more connected and innovative tomorrow for everyone. Thank you for exploring this Tesla content with me. If you liked what we shared here, I invite you to join us on the channel to discover more about innovation, technology, and exciting news from the automotive world. On our channel, we seek to bring relevant and engaging information, as well as detailed analysis of Tesla's advances, challenges and achievements. If you want to stay up to date with the latest automotive news and analysis, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. More than simply informing, our goal is to create an engaged community interested in exploring the future of mobility and energy. Join us on this journey and let's discover new frontiers of automotive innovation together. Thanks for being here and we hope to see you soon in our next videos.